Hey guys, welcome back to the Hackworth Vacuums Nickelodeon character vacuum test. So first off, we have my Hoover Elite Energy Efficient 1991 as Mr. Krabs. SpongeBob, me boy! Number 2 is Squidward Tentacles. That was my self-propelled Ultra WindTunnel by Hoover from 2000. And that's Squidward. Ah! I think that's how Squidward screams. So then, next off we have my 2009 Hoover WindTunnel Anniversary Edition Supreme as Chuckie from Rugrats. Next up we have a very popular Oreck XL Classic as Tommy Pickles from Rugrats. There we go. Sorry, I had to fix something. So, and then number 4 is my Sanitaire ST888, the one I brought back to life in June 2018, and that's the Sanitaire commercial, and then that's Timmy Turner from the Fairly Odd Parents, and then my one and only Aerus Electrolux canister. It's from 1980. It's from the 70s or the 80s. I can't tell. And that is the perfect vacuum for that is CatDog, because cat and a dog. Because the wand and the motor, just like CatDog. And then lastly, we have my Kirby Classic 32CB from 1976, which is Harold from Hey Arnold. All right, so now we're gonna start with the Mr. Krabs with the Hoover Elite. So here we go. Did pretty well. All right, now for my self-propelled wind tunnel by Hoover. That's Squidward. Okay, pretty good. And now my Hoover Anniversary Edition wind tunnel. Okay, that one did okay. Just unless if you push it back and move it back and forth and work your way back. You know how it is. Alright, so next is Tommy Pickles. The Chuckie from Rugrats is that one. And Tommy Pickles as the Oreck. Okay, that did a pretty good job, but it did a pretty good job, but it pushed a dust bunny. What do you call it? All right, it did all right. Now it's time for my Sanitaire SC888. Well, that one did okay, but it left a lot. Wow, it left a lot. But that's Timmy Turner from the Rugrats. All right, so wait, not Rugrats, the Fairly Odd Parents. Timmy Turner from the Fairly Odd Parents. All right, so but now it's time for my Electrolux as CatDog. Ha 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 ha! Very good, very well. I got up everything. All right, so now it's time for the Kirby Classic 32CB as Harold from Hey Arnold. Arnold! Okay. I had to hit the height adjustment on it, but it did alright. Alright, so now let's declare a winner. Hoover Elite did alright, but I left self-propelled wind tunnel as Squidward. Left a teeny tiny bit. Anniversary wind tunnel as Chuckie. Left a lot. But the Oreck 99% as Tommy Pickles. It got up everything, but it did push some around. SC888 as Timmy Turner from the Fairly Odd Parents. As it left a lot. Unless you move back and forth and work your way back. And then we have CatDog. Sorry, that was an alarm that I set. Next up we have CatDog as my Aerus Electrolux, 1976. Wow, this got everything. Now let's keep moving to the last Kirby Classic 32CB. Harold from Hey Arnold. It did alright, but I did have to put the height adjustment in and go over it a second time. But it left a lot. It left one small line, but let's see who won. I think the Electrolux did a great job because I did not expect it to do this well as CatDog, because Electroluxes are pretty good. And it did an awesome job. Nothing seems to be left on the floor as far as I can tell. Alright, but anyways, that does it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Nickelodeon.